Looking for the best way to save money on your next domain registration? You're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to use a Dynadot coupon code step by step and get the biggest discount possible. Stick around, I'll share multiple working codes and a special link in the description that always updates with the latest offers. First, click the special discount link in the description. This will take you straight to Dynadot's official website, one of the most trusted and affordable domain registrars out there. Search for the domain name you want, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the coupon code or promo code box. This is where the magic happens. Here are some working Dynadot coupon codes you can try right now. DYNANE, we do 10% off new domain registrations. SAVE 15NOW, 15% off bulk domain purchases. Dynatransfer 5, $5 off when transferring a domain to Dynadot. Host plus 20, 20% off email hosting with domain purchase. Welcome 10, great for new users, extra 10% discount. Enter one of these codes, click Apply, and watch your total drop instantly. Then complete your payment using card, PayPal, crypto, or any method Dynadot supports. Pro tip, Dynadot often runs flash sales and seasonal discounts, so always check my link in the description. It updates automatically with the latest coupon codes to make sure you never miss a deal. And there you have it. That's how you save money with Dynadot using these coupon codes. If this helped you grab a domain at a discount, smash the like button, subscribe for more domain and hosting deals, and share this video with anyone looking for the best registrar at the lowest price.